Today, I'm going to create this switch doors animation effects in Canva. Go to canva.com. Click on the video. Select the landscape video. Add some juice or products images that you want to make animate. I'm importing juice images. All the image size should be the same in height and weight. Place all of them side by side. Select all and make it a group. Zoom and fit the first image to the page. Add a round circle shape. Change the color to white. Expand the shape. Duplicate it. Import your logo or any other information. Duplicate the page. Drag the first image to move left and place the right image. Again, duplicate the page and do the same thing. Click here and add Match and Move transition. Apply to all pages. Page duration will be 1.5 seconds and apply between all pages. Here is the result. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.